Okay, good morning. We are now live on YouTube. Everyone, please raise your right hand.
Buenos días a todos, estamos en vivo en YouTube. Todos levanten su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the information given to this court
Ustedes juran y afirman de que la información que le van a estar dando al tribunal,
as well as the information included on your application for court-appointed counsel,
al igual que también en la información incluida en la solicitud para un abogado de parte del tribunal,
is true and correct, so help you? If so, everyone who agrees, say I do.
es correcta y verdadera. ¿Nos escuchan? Por favor, digan que sí, es correcto.
Sí, es correcto.
Please put your hand down.
Yes, correct. Ya pueden bajar su mano.
This is your first appearance before the Magistrate Court of Clayton County.
Esta es su primera comparecencia frente a un juez magistrado del tribunal.
We are not here to try your case, nor are we here to take a plea.
No estamos aquí para enjuiciarlo ni para tomarle una declaración suya.
You are here for the court to inform you of your rights,
Están ustedes aquí para que el tribunal les pueda decir cuáles son sus derechos,
for the court to inform you of your charges,
también está aquí para que el tribunal le informe acerca de cuáles son sus cargos,
for the court to set bail for those offenses that I'm authorized to set bail,
para que el tribunal fije una fianza para aquellos casos donde sí se puede fijar una,
and to schedule preliminary hearings for some of you.
y para programar una audiencia preliminar para todos ustedes.
You have the right to remain silent and say nothing.
Tienen derecho a permanecer en silencio y decir nada.
Should you give up this right, anything you say can be used against you today or at any other future hearing.
Sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Yes, you have the right to say nothing, but should you give up this right, anything you say can be used against you today or at future hearings.
Tiene derecho usted a no decir nada, pero si deciden hacer cualquier cosa que digan, puede ser utilizada en su contra en este juicio y también cualquier tipo de juicio en un futuro.
You have the right to the presumption of innocence until the state proves your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
Tienen ustedes derecho a ser declarados o a estar en un estado inocente, de ser declarados inocentes hasta que el juez o la Fiscalía del Estado pueda confirmar de que ustedes son culpables más allá de cualquier duda razonable.
You have the right to indictment by grand jury for felonies or the right to accusation for misdemeanors.
Tienen derecho ustedes a un juicio ante un jurado por algún tipo de delito grave o de alguna acusación de delito menor.
You have the right to a speedy and public trial by jury.
Tienen ustedes a tener un juicio frente a un jurado. Tienen derecho ustedes a un juicio rápido o agilizado.
You have the right to compel the attendance of witnesses on your behalf.
Tienen derecho ustedes a presentar cualquier tipo de testigo
You have the right to
para
offer.
que les ayuden de parte de ustedes.
You have the right to offer evidence on your own behalf, should you choose to do so.
Y si ustedes optan, pueden también proveer evidencia de parte de ustedes.
Should you choose not to do so, there is no presumption of guilt raised.
Si ustedes deciden que no pueden hacerlo o no quieren hacerlo, entonces no hay manera o hay presunción o se puede decir de que hay una presunción de inocencia hasta que se les pruebe lo contrario.
You have the right to have an attorney represent you, and I'm appointing each of you an attorney.
tienen derecho a que un abogado les pueda representar a cada uno de ustedes y voy a estar yo asignando a cada uno de ustedes un abogado.
You always have the right to hire your own counsel or to represent yourself.
Siempre tienen el derecho a contratar a su propio asesor o representarse a sí mismo.
Some of you will be able to post bond using cash, a commercial bonding company, or property.
Algunos de ustedes van a poder pagar su fianza en efectivo a través de una compañía de fiadores judiciales o dejando una propiedad en garantía.
If somebody brings cash, they will bring it to the sheriff, who will hold it until you are released.
Si alguien tiene en efectivo, ustedes van a dárselo al alguacil para que lo guarden hasta que sean liberados.
If someone uses a bonding company, that company can charge a fee of 15% for your bond.
Si ustedes optan por utilizar una compañía de fiadores judiciales, le van a cobrar ellos el 15% de su fianza.
The cash bond will be returned once your case is concluded. The commercial bonding company fee will not be returned.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, please?
The cash bond will be returned once your case is completed. However, if you use a bonding company, the fee will not be returned.
La fianza en efectivo va a ser regresada una vez de que ya se determine las condiciones de liberación, sí, o que ya no son inocentes, pero ya no son culpables, sino inocentes, pero el cargo que va a estar cobrando lo que es la compañía de fiadores judiciales no se les va a regresar.
Someone can post property for your release, but that property must have equity 3 times the amount of your bond.
Alguien puede poner en garantía una propiedad de las cuales son dueños, pero esa propiedad tiene que tener 3 veces por lo menos el valor de la fianza.
Everyone will have a special condition on their bond that prohibits you from violating any laws while out on bond.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener de condiciones especiales para poder estar libres bajo fianza, los cuales van a tener esas condiciones, van a ser diferentes condiciones legales, quienes lo van a mantener fuera de que sean arrestados nuevamente.
Some of you will have additional conditions that keep you from going to certain places or from being around certain people.
Algunos de ustedes van a tener diferentes requisitos adicionales o condiciones adicionales que lo van a estar impidiendo ir a lugares o acercarse a personas.
If you violate these conditions, your bond will be revoked.
Si violan estas condiciones de acercarse a ciertas personas o ir cerca de las propiedades, su fianza o derecho a fianza va a ser revocado.
There could also be additional charges brought against you.
También pueden haber cargos adicionales puestos en contra de cada uno de ustedes si es que pasa eso.
If you have family members assisting you with posting bond, they must wait a couple of hours to allow the court and the jail to process your paperwork.
Si tiene algún familiar que va a estar pagando su fianza por ustedes, tienen que esperar un par de horas para que la cárcel esté lista y esté lista para programar su derecho a fianza.
If there is a friend or family member who is the alleged victim, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond.
Si existe algún miembro de la familia el cual es la supuesta víctima, ellos no van a poderle pagar la fianza.
Some of you are charged with offenses that the court cannot set bail for.
Algunos de ustedes tienen diferentes tipos de acusaciones o condiciones que no van a permitir que la corte fije una fianza.
If you are on active probation, the court is not authorized to set bond.
Si están ustedes bajo libertad probatoria activa, la corte o el tribunal no está autorizada para programar fianzas.
You will have the opportunity to ask your probation officer if they will agree to your bond at the probation hearing or at your preliminary hearing.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener la oportunidad de revisar su fianza frente a un juez, ya sea en una audiencia o audiencia preliminar.
The purpose of your preliminary hearing is to determine if there is enough probable cause to keep you detained in jail.
El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es para ver si existen suficientes causas probables para mantenerlo en la cárcel.
If you are charged with misdemeanors only, you have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing.
Si usted solamente se le está acusando de un delito menor, tienen la opción de renunciar a la audiencia preliminar.
If you waive your preliminary hearing, it will move your case quicker through the court system.
Si ustedes esperan, me da un momentito. You said if they wait for their preliminary hearing, they were gonna do what?
If they waive it, WAIVE, it will move their case quicker through the system.
Si ustedes renuncian a su audiencia preliminar, van a poder o su caso va a estar siendo procesado a través del sistema judicial más rápido.
If you bond out, you are automatically waiving your preliminary hearing.
Si ustedes pagan su fianza, ustedes automáticamente están renunciando a su audiencia preliminar.
If you waive your preliminary hearing, your next court date will be mailed to you.
Si renuncian a su audiencia preliminar, su siguiente fecha de juicio o de la corte va a ser enviada por correo postal.
We will take the Spanish-speaking individuals first. Then we will take the females who remain and the males who remain. So in that order, who do we have in front of me that speaks Spanish who is a male? What's his name?
What, Martinez?
Vamos a estar tomando.
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. Okay, give me 1 second.
Aquí.
Jesus, is your name Jesus Rodriguez?
Sí.
Interpreter, are you still there?
¿Tu nombre es Jesús Rodríguez?
Sí.
Sir, you are charged with
Yeah.
DUI, no license, and improper lane change.
Al señor, a usted se le está acusando de manejar bajo la influencia de alcohol o drogas, también por hacer un cambio de carril en la carretera, sí, de manera inadecuada, al igual que también por no tener licencia de conducir.
Do you understand your charges?
Sí.
¿Entiende cuáles son sus cargos?
Sí.
Your bond is scheduled,
Yes.
your bond is $6,500.
Su fianza es de $6,500.
Are you able to make bond?
¿Puede pagar su fianza?
Sí, pero necesito hablar por teléfono.
Yes, but I need a phone.
All right, you have to speak with the jail about that. Your next court date will be May 25th.
Va a tener que hablar con la cárcel con respecto a eso. Su siguiente fecha de juicio, o su siguiente juicio, tiene una fecha de mayo 25,
At 8 a.m.
a las 8 a.m.
Have a good day.
Tenga buen día.
No.
Deputy Wilkes, who do we have? Who's the Spanish-speaking female?
Her name is Mendez Bertha.
Thank you. Is your name Bertha Mendez?
Yes.
Tu nombre es Berta Méndez.
Sí.
You are charged with a license violation.
A usted se le acusa de violencia, perdón, de una violación para una licencia de conducir.
Do you understand your charge?
¿Comprende cuál es su cargo?
Sí.
Your next court date, excuse me, your bond is $1,000 and you must not violate any laws of on bond.
Su fianza es de $1,000 y no tiene que violar ningún tipo perdón, usted no va a poder violar ningún tipo de ley legal mientras usted esté fuera.
Okay.
Are you able to make bond?
¿Puede pagar su fianza?
Sí.
Your next
Yes.
court date is May 25th at 8 a.m. in room 201.
Su siguiente fecha para el juicio o su fecha para el juicio será mayo 25, 8 a.m. en la sala 201.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Gracias, tenga buen día.
Is that the last of the Spanish speakers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Interpreter, thank you so much for your help. Have a good day, okay, sir?
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
The first,
Latasha,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Judge. Latasha Goodrum, she's combative, so she won't be coming to first appearance today.
okay. I'm gonna reset her for tomorrow.
Okay.
Let me see.
So the next female is Jones, Teresa Jones.
Hold on 1 second. I need to confirm what time she was brought in.
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Jones is next.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Jones, you're charged with 2 counts of reckless conduct. Do you understand your charges?
Yes, sir.
Your bond is $10,000 and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes.
These are misdemeanors. You have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
Thank you. Please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kanaya Mack. Ma'am, you're charged with 2 counts of reckless conduct. Do you understand your charges?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $10,000. You must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am.
These are misdemeanor offenses. You have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. Have a good day. Amber McDaniel. And you are charged with DUI and following too closely. Do you understand your charges?
Yes.
Your bond is $5,500. You must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
This is all of these are misdemeanor offenses. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
Okay. Please sign your waiver. The next court date will be coming in the mail, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Latoya McMillan. Ma'am, you were charged with battery, family violence. Do you understand your charges?
Yes.
Your bond is $3,500. You are to stay away from Andrea Horn. You shall not return to 575 Sycamore Drive in Jonesboro, Georgia. It was indicated on the warrantless arrest affidavit that this is your residence. As such, I will allow you to go back with the sheriff's escort for the limited purpose of retrieving your personal property. However, you cannot go back to that property without escort for any reason until this case is closed or until that condition is modified by another judge. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
You must also not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes.
These are misdemeanor offenses, or this is a misdemeanor offense. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Could you be more specific what that means, if you don't mind?
I don't mind, but I've already explained it and I can't give you legal advice. Since you don't still understand, it's fine. I will go ahead and set you down for May 25th at 8 a.m. I have appointed an attorney to represent you. Your lawyer will tell you whether or not you need to go forward and waive it. If you bond out, as explained earlier, you will automatically waive your preliminary hearing. Have a good day, Ms. McMillan.
Do I get a bump?
Becca Miles. Please remind Ms. McMillan, she already has a bond, so that does not affect her bond.
Okay.
Ms. Miles,
Yes.
you are charged with 1, 2, 3, 4 felony counts of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substances Act. You are charged with use of possession of drug-related objects, and you're also charged with possession of dangerous drugs. Do you understand your charges?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $31,500, and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Your next court date will be May 24th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
You're welcome. Rosalind Rome. Ma'am, you are charged with DUI, let's say. Do you understand your charges or your charge?
Yes,
Your bond is $5,000. You must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
yes,
This is a misdemeanor. You have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
yes.
Please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. Have a good day. Otara Scott.
She's OTB, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodrum at the end, because I don't want the next judge to have a full calendar tomorrow. Is she being in a place where she's being violent or just kind of annoying you?
I would have to ask Deputy Brown, because he's in medical with her. So I would have to go to medical and find out exactly what's going on.
If it is a big issue, I definitely understand and we'll reset her, but it is one of those things where we can kind of get it done. My preference is to get it done and only reset those that we absolutely have to, but you all need to do what's safe for you. So just let me know and we'll keep going, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I'll find out for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna continue. Philip Bronner should be next. Your microphone is still muted, Deputy. I was calling Deputy Brown, but I don't think that's your name. I think you're Deputy Burley, correct? You're still muted.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry about that.
No worries. So, are you Mr. Bronner?
Yes, ma'am.
You were charged with criminal trespass and robbery. Do you understand your charges?
Yes.
Your bond is $35,000 and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes.
A condition of your bond is that you must stay away from Trayless Colbert. You cannot return to 6850 Mountain Boulevard in Morrow, Georgia. It was indicated that that is a shared residence. Do you live with her?
Yes.
You live at 6850 Mountain Boulevard?
No. We don't
Mount Zion Boulevard, excuse me.
No, we don't live over there. That's like somewhat like a commercial, it's a commercial, property or whatever. We was just parked over there.
Where do you all reside?
We reside at the 99 Pine Glen Drive in Riverdale, Georgia.
You are not to go back to 99 Pine Glen Drive in Riverdale, Georgia, except to get your personal property. And you can go back with a sheriff's escort for the limited purpose of retrieving that personal property. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. He or she may be able to get that modified by another judge, but the court is very serious about those conditions. So do not go back to that property without an escort. Do not contact Ms. Colbert for any reason, or your bond will be revoked. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You must also not violate any laws out on bond. You said you're able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am. Is this, the cash, how much would it be?
I can't do the math, sir. I went to law school, so I don't have to worry about math, but the bonding company would be able to tell you that. Your next court date, as one of these charges is a very serious felony, your next court date will be May 25th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Have a good day, okay? Next should be Jerome Cody.
Come on up, if she called your name wrong. Who did you call, Your Honor?
I called Jerome Cody.
Cody Jerome. He's let's see, Cody Jerome. He's in medical, Your Honor.
So we have to take him last?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next should be Raekwon Jarrett. Sir, you were charged with use or unauthorized use of a financial transaction card. Do you understand your charge?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $6,000 and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a felony offense. Your next court date will be May 24th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, you're welcome. Jerry Matthews.
Your Honor, and I got his paperwork with me, and I'll fax it when we get through.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Matthews, you are charged with 4 felony counts of violation of the Georgia Controlled Substances Act, use or possession of drug-related objects, and possession of dangerous drugs. Do you understand your charges?
No.
I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $31,500, and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes.
These are serious felony charges. As such, your next court date will be May 24th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Have a good day. J.B. Parker Jr.
He's coming, Your Honor.
Thank you. You are charged with DUI, improper lane change, driving on a suspended license, and public indecency/indecent exposure. Do you understand your charges, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $9,000 and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond?
Yes, ma'am.
These are misdemeanor offenses. You have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eric Shumpert. So you were charged with DUI, improper lane change, and open container. Do you understand your charges?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $6,000 and you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond? Can I hear you?
Yes, ma'am.
These are misdemeanor offenses. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
Okay, please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Jamie Vaughn.
Jamie Vaughn. Jamie Vaughn. He's in medical, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr. Wilson is the last one down here with me.
okay. Are they ready at medical?
We got the video up there, I think. So they're gonna bring.
Okay, because I want to get rolling with medical. I see Trahan Waters. Is he in medical as well?
Waters. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Cody, Vaughn, and Waters are all in medical. So Mr. Wilson,
I have
come
him.
forward, please. Thank you so much. Are you were charged with battery, family violence? Do you understand your charges? Your bond is $3,500. You're to stay away from Marcellus Wilson, and you shall not violate any laws while out on bond. You don't still live with Mr. Wilson at Sunset Hills, right?
Say again now?
Do you still live with Mr. Wilson at Sunset Hills?
I live in Michigan.
I can't hear you.
I live in Michigan.
Okay, so you don't have any reason to return to the 6743 Sunset Hills Boulevard?
My belongings are there, my clothes, I came to visit.
Okay, I will allow you to go back there for the limited purpose of retrieving your personal property, but you cannot go back to that property without a sheriff's escort. So you can get your personal property, but you have to go with the sheriff, okay?
No,
And you said you are able to make bond, sir?
how much is my bond?
$3,500.
I don't call somebody.
I can't hear you. Please speak to me.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to figure out how can I do that? I don't have anybody's number.
Okay, so you have to speak with the jail personnel later, or I have appointed an attorney to represent you. He or she may be able to help get you some guidance with that, okay, sir?
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. I do have to ask you one more thing, Mr. Wilson. Do you wish to waive your preliminary hearing? This is a misdemeanor offense.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please sign your waiver. Your next court date will come in the mail. And if you aren't able to bond out, a lawyer will help you find out some other options that you may have, okay? Thank you. All right, we are ready for medical.
Your Honor, I spoke with Deputy Brown. He explained to me that Goodrum, you won't be able to see her today. She's disruptive. So you'll have to reset.
Okay. So we'll reset Ms. Goodrum to tomorrow.
Judge, hey,
Do so.
Judge. Hey, Judge.
Yes. Yes.
This is Mr. Cody. Can you hear me, Judge?
Yes, sir. But
Hey,
Mr.
Wilkins, this
it's
is
not your
Cody.
turn yet. Okay, so here's how it works. You have to let me say what I have to say, and then no, give me 1 second, Mr. Cody. We're not to you yet, okay? I was still speaking with the deputy about Ms. Goodrum.
Python 1, can you hear me? My screen is frozen. Can you tell her this is Cody in front of her, the wrong Cody?
They threw it in. They threw.
All right, we are back on the record. Are we ready at?
Oh, they ain't through? Okay.
I see that the internet is not the strongest at the medical. Can you all hear me? Looking for Mr. Cody, should be next. I know he's there because he's told me 5 times. He's there. Are we there?
I'm trying to raise him on the radio, Your Honor.
Thank you, Deputy Burley. Deputy Burley, did they already send over those court-appointed forms? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. My last 2 coming to you, Your Honor. Deputy Wilkinson sending you the last 2.
They need to email them. I heard you earlier say fax. For some reason, the fax is not, the faxes don't come to me. So they might need to email them, but I know you're handling that on your end. So I appreciate that. Make sure they get them over to me because I don't have anything in my email.
Okay.
And I think we got the jail reconnected. Is that medical?
Yes, ma'am, that's medical trying to come through. I'm trying to talk to him right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll stand by until they get on camera. I'm still here. I'm just standing by.
Can you repeat? She said that the fax is not working, make sure they email it to all that paperwork.
Okay, I see Mr. Cody on the camera.
Say yes.
Mr. Cody,
Yes. There we are.
Mr. Cody,
Yes.
you are charged with unlawful conduct during a 911 call, crossing the guard line with drugs or alcohol, in violation of the Georgia Controlled Substances Act. You are charged with committing harassing phone calls, communicating and saying that people were trying to kill you. When the operations occurred, they did not find that to be valid. You are also accused with bringing drugs, methamphetamines, into the Clayton County Jail. Your bond is $16,500. You should not violate any bond. And your next court date will be May 24th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Okay, have a good day, Mr. Cody.
I say something now.
Yes, sir.
This is a situation. My mom did die.
Let me stop you, Mr. Cody. Let me stop you, Mr. Cody. Let me stop you, Mr. Cody. It's not the time for you to share what occurred. You are presumed innocent until proven guilty. So share your story with your lawyer because the prosecutor's not here. I don't want you to share something that may inadvertently hurt your case. So I'm going to stop you, and I'm doing that for your benefit, sir. Have a good day. Your lawyer will come to see if you don't bond out, but I have given you a bond. Let's move forward to Jamie Vaughn. Is Jamie Vaughn ready at the intake at medical?
How's that at crime?
Mr. Cody is disconnected.
I've got to go to the other side of medical. So I'm gonna disconnect.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
We can do Mr. Vaughn or we can do Mr. Waters. Both of them were I was told are in medical.
You hear me, Your Honor? Deputy Brown said they have to reconnect. It keep going in and out, so he trying to reconnect.
Okay. Okay, so I'll stand by. I'll continue to work on my paperwork. Whenever you all get reconnected, we'll continue on, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Do you need me, Deputy Burley?
No, ma'am, I'm waiting on Deputy Brown to tell me so I can translate it to you.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to make sure, like I said, I'm just sitting here doing some paperwork, so, whenever y'all are good, just let me know.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Hey, we getting ready to bring Vaughn out.
See, that could be part of your issue right there.
You know, you get ready to bring Vaughn out.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, that's right. I've been asking for a new table for almost a year.
I think you're having another bad connection.
It ain't so. We were moving.
Hey, Judge.
Yes,
Okay, we got this is Mr. Who is this, Waters?
Yes, sir.
We got Waters coming to you, Judge. Waters.
great. Thank you so much for all y'all's hard work. And the last
Yes,
person
ma'am.
I had after Mr. Waters.
All right, he's saying, stop. Let's go right there. Go ahead,
Okay,
Judge.
great. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Waters, good afternoon. Sir, you were charged with criminal trespass. Do you understand your charges?
Yes, I do understand the charges.
Okay. Your bond is $3,500. You're to stay away from Labrecia Town.
Okay.
You cannot return at 3458 Mount Zion Road in Stockbridge, Georgia. And you must not violate any laws out on bond. Are you able to make bond, sir?
Yes, I am. As a matter of fact, I went to court for this already. So my wife is down here. She was actually with me.
Okay, let me stop you, Mr. Town. Let me stop you, Mr. Waters, excuse me. This is not the appropriate forum to share your story about what occurred.
I understand.
And the reason for that is because you don't have your lawyer here with you. So I don't want you to share anything that may inadvertently be incriminating, but the appropriate time for you to share that will be with another judge and your attorney. I have given you a bond. I have done a stay away order, and you and your lawyer can determine what steps you all want to take moving forward, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry about that. It's bad part.
No need to apologize, sir. Your next court date is gonna be May 25th at 8 a.m. in room 201, okay?
201.
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, it's likely gonna be virtual. It's likely gonna be virtual. If you bonded out, that court date will be waived if you bond out. If you are still incarcerated at the time of your court date, they will bring you down for that hearing, okay?
No problem. I can find out right now.
All right, so you take care, okay, sir?
Thank you again, man.
You're welcome, take care.
All right, go ahead and do yourself. Okay.
Hey, Judge.
Yes,
Judge, I have Vaughn be here in about 10 seconds. Yeah, come on, Vaughn.
Okay, perfect. I'll stand by.
And this
I
is,
really appreciate y'all. Y'all have been rocking and rolling with me, and I
Okay.
really appreciate this Easter Sunday for those who celebrate. I appreciate
here he is,
it.
Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Vaughn, good morning. You are charged with terroristic threats. Do you understand your charge, sir?
Be quiet, let's go.
Do you understand your charge, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You do not have a bond at this time. Should you get a bond, a condition of your bond will be to stay away from Wanda Chamberlain. But as I stated, there is no bond right now. I have appointed an attorney to represent you. Your next court date will be May 24th at 8 a.m. in room 201. Okay, Mr. Vaughn? All right, have a good day.
Okay, step over. Hey, Judge, that's the last one from medical.
Yes, sir. I think that's the last one for today. Is
Oh,
that
okay.
right, Deputy Burley?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, you all have been very helpful. I appreciate all of your hard work. We're gonna keep it rolling. I'm gonna reset Ms. Goodrum to tomorrow. Everybody else has been first appeared. Is that correct? Deputy Burley, your list is complete, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I appreciate you all. Y'all have a great day, okay?